Good morning all. Myself Jyotish Sriveniya, presently pursuing BTech third year at Vishnu Institute of Technology. Today I am going to explain what is a closure in JavaScript. A closure is a function that remembers the variables from its outer scope even after the outer function has finished executing. This allows a function to access and manipulate variables that are no longer in scope. In simpler terms, a closure is created when a function is defined inside another function and the inner function remembers the variables from the outer function. Now I am going to explain the key characteristics of a closure. A closure allows a function to retain access to its lexical scope even when it is executed outside that scope. Closures are created every time a function is defined inside another function. Now I am going to explain the differences between the callbacks, promises, async and await. Callbacks is based on the syntax of nested functions, whereas promises is based on the syntax of dot then and dot catch. And it async or await, it's about asynchronous looking sync code. What is the, about I am going to explain about the readability of callbacks, promises, async and await. Hard to read in complex and better than callback functions. Promises are better than callback functions, easier to read and understand in async or await compared to callbacks and promises. Hard to manage in nested calls. Dot catch handles errors in promises. Try catch block in async or await handles the error handling. Flexibility. Yeah, callbacks are limited has limited flexibility compared to promises and async or await. Supports chaining best with promises. Now I am going to explain this code. This code defines a to-do list module that manages a list of to-do items. It includes functionality to add the task, organize and mark items based on their due dates. Here's a detailed breakdown of each part. To-do list function. The to-do list function uses closures to encapsulate all array which stores the to-dos. It returns an object with several methods to interact with the list. Methods in to-do list. Add a to-do list item. Adds a new to-do item to all the array. Mark as complete of index. Marks a to-do list item as compared based on its index in the all array. Overdue. Due today. Overdue. Returns a list of to-do items where the due date is earlier than today. Returns a list of to-do items due today. Due later. Returns a list of to-do items due after today. To displayable list converts a list of to-do items into a displayable string. Helper function formatted date. This function formats a date object as a string, making it easier to compare the dates, test and display to-do items. The code creates a to-dos object using to-do list. It adds multiple to-do items with different due dates, yesterday, today or tomorrow. It displays to-do items categorized into overdue, due today and due later using the respective methods. Now I am going to show you the output. Here is the my to-do list. It consists of overdue, submit assignment, due today, parent, service vehicle, due later, file taxes, pay electrical bill. Thank you.